Okay, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be talking about applications of perimeter and area for circles and rectangles. Let's begin. Let's just start off with a little review from last class. So, we talked all about area and perimeter. Now, for a rectangle, the area is the length times the width, whereas the perimeter for a rectangle is just 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. You can just add together all of the sides. Now for a circle for area, the area is pi times r squared. R is the radius, whereas the circumference is 2 times pi times r, which is the radius, 2 pi r. Now, we're going to get a first-hand look at how we can find circles in the real world. Hey everybody, so today we're going to be learning about how to apply what we've been learning about pi and area to the real life. So, I'm looking around, seeing if there are any cool objects where I can try to use pi. So I guess I'm looking for a circle, right? And let's see, my shoes, no. Oh, here we go. Here's a frisbee. So I've got this cool circle here, and I used my ruler to see what the diameter and the radius was. Now, here's a picture of the radius. First, the diameter was 11 inches, whereas the radius was 5.5 inches, which is just 1/2 of the diameter. Now, to find the perimeter or circumference of a circle, we use our equation 2 pi r, which is also pi d, but we'll use 2 pi r just for our sakes. Now, we just plug in 5.5 in for the radius, and we get that the circumference is pi times 11, or 11 pi, which if we plug into our calculator, we get 34.56 inches. Wow. Now, if we want to find the area, we just use pi r squared, and we plug in the radius again with 5.5. We square that to get 30.25, and then we multiply 30.25 by pi to get 95.03 inches squared. Remember the squared part. Okay, so now we found the area and circumference for a circle, which is this frisbee. So, you might be asking, well, Mr. Edwards, we also know how to calculate the area of rectangles. Well, let's go back and see if there was a rectangle anywhere in my items. Oh, there we go. Here's my notebook that was sitting on the floor. Let's see if we can figure out what its perimeter and area are. So, here's the notebook, and I used my ruler to find out that the length was 11 inches and that the width was 8 inches. We can find the perimeter by using the formula 2L times 2W. 2 times the length times 2 times the width. Plug in our values, it's 2 times 11 plus 2 times 8, which is 22 plus 16. So we get a total of 38 inches. That is our perimeter for the notebook. What about the area? Length times width. We have 8 times 11, which is just 88 inches squared. So we found the perimeter and area for the notebook. Great job, guys. Now we found how to apply area and perimeter to real-life rectangles and circles. Good job.